Okay, I want to do a quick video of my gas pedal in the car because I don't think a lot of people have seen this. Maybe someone might need it for their 370Z. As you know, there's a floor mount pedal that's electronically drive-by-wire in the car. I had to remove that from my build for various reasons. I had to do drive-by cable, so I'd like to show you what I got going on for that. So there's not a lot of information out there for 370Zs for doing firewall mount gas pedals. So let me show you what I got going on. Down here, I got my Tin Soldiers race pedal. I'll put a link in the description, but as you see there, I put a threaded insert down here on the bottom, right down there. I'll see if I can dig up some pictures too and post them in here. You can see right on the top, right over there, right here on the top, I put a nut, or actually put a carriage bolt right through the firewall, and then I put a nylon locking washer on the back. You can see up there, I just drilled a hole for the Tin Soldiers gas pedal. What you can, let me get out of here. Okay. Now what you notice with that Tin Soldiers gas pedal is that it was kind of bent back. I had to cut the top off of that and then shorten it, I'd say about 1 inch. And then I had to make the angle more aggressive, so it was actually bent in a vise, nothing special, and took out a few more degrees. Okay, so here on the outside here we have the cable coming out. I just drilled it right near the top of this line right here. So nothing special, just drilled a hole, put it through. It's really pretty straightforward. I was pretty, let me go back in the car. I want to show you one other thing. This bottom nut, kind of what I'm pointing at right now, that's a threaded insert. There's going to be a stud inside there that I just grabbed a pair of pliers and wiggled loose, and then I was able to take a drilled that out, and then used a threaded insert to put in the bolt. It's pretty straightforward. For me, it was actually a lot of apprehension for me doing drive-by cable for my car because I really like the pedal feel of the OEM drive-by wire. So there's good resistance on it. So I'm happy to say that the resistance on this pedal is actually fairly good. Let me show you the snapback on it. So you got your pedal there. It sits a little bit below, which is kind of standard for pedals. That's how you want them. We got pretty snappy. I'm thinking about later revisions actually doing a helper spring on that, but as it stands right now, it's actually pretty snappy, which I like. So I'm just gonna give that a go for now. Then if it doesn't work, I'll have to put a helper spring on it later, not now. That's a little short, quick clip that I wanted to put out to everyone. If this was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, maybe. I don't care. You don't have to subscribe, but at least like it if it was helpful. So anyways, thanks for watching. Oof, my hair is rough.